turn the heaters on. Which you can't evaluate because the meter says.
Oh, that's a noise.
Yeah, that's what we have to do.
Oh, yeah, don't we have to announce?
Yeah, you gotta wait for Mr. Fernando to make an announcement.
Yeah, we should technically.
You're supposed to wait till we say something.
There's the Stevens announcing it right there.
Yeah, they usually go on and let us know.
Yeah.
Don't we have to wait for an announcement?
I don't know.
Yeah. Good morning, Miss Morgan. A great way to start the morning. Yeah, even worse.
It's not in here this time. I don't know.
Are we waiting for him to make an announcement?
No, you're exiting the building. We kind of hurry on.
Look at Trey.
Back in the building, the Rank High School, please back in